Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today I'm going to make a delicious and traditional sheer khurma. Dates and dry fruits and taste absolutely amazing. I'm adding vermicelli, Sevian, and roasting it on low flame until it turns golden brown. For aroma, I'm adding cardamom powder, milk. Now I'll pour in milk and mix it well. Let it cook on medium flame. And keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Sugar according to taste and mixing it well at this stage. I'll add chopped dates kojor, which give a rich and traditional flavor now. I'm adding the fried dry fruits back into the pan. Let it cook for a few more minutes until it becomes slightly thick and creamy. If it gets too thick, you can add a little more milk to adjust the consistency, and our delicious sheer khurma is ready. Look at this creamy texture. It smells absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.